Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to another sneaker review slash unboxing. This is a recent pickup that I just got this last weekend from my local Finish Line, so shout out to them. Won the raffle through the app, which was surprising. I'm not sure exactly how rare these sneakers are or how limited, but I'm figuring just based off of how many different retailers had it and the prices I'm seeing as far as on the resale market, probably not as limited as the original pair, but I just figured I would do just a quick comparison between that and these other two, and see which one I prefer, and kind of maybe hopefully get your guys' feedback on which ones you guys prefer and how well did they execute these new ones. So bam, there we go, the box. Oop. The label right there, Air Jordan 5 Retro. They're listing these colors as white, ghost green, court purple. I have the other box for the original pair. I just don't know where it's at for me to be able to check. I probably could have looked it up on Google or whatever, but I didn't. I didn't really prepare for the video. I just wanted to get this done as quick as possible because there's probably about 100 other videos up 43, 44, 45 that you guys maybe have already looked at or planning on looking at after this one. So to get into it, this is the first time I've actually even looked at the shoes since I picked them up at the store. They obviously opened it up to look at the sizes to make sure that the sizes were correct, but this is the first time I've actually held it in hand to kind of give my personal judgment. And there we have it. Overall, I mean, I gotta be honest, the whole thing with this shoe from the beginning, I wasn't necessarily feeling this white upper. It's just kind of too plain to me. I mean, I like the midsole. That's the same, or at least looks very similar to the original. You know, the inner lining and stuff, definitely vibrant. It looks like it does come with some extra laces, which I don't remember the original pair coming with. But I mean, I wasn't expecting a lot from the material. I wasn't really expecting it to be all that great, and looking at it, I mean, it does have a little bit of texture. You can kind of see it in the lighting. Insole out because that usually keeps it a little tight. I mean, the toe box is soft. I mean, you get that wrinkle, which usually means it's a little bit better quality, but overall, I mean, I wasn't expecting a lot with these. There are some key differences. It looks like the numbers, obviously the color's different. The shape is slightly different. The midsoles are pretty much the same. Obviously with those color changes in the material, it's going to look slightly different. That netting obviously has a black backing on it. This has the white, so that definitely makes that look different. The eyelets, though, the same. Black. Laces, black. Tongue, black. Looks like this, the newer pair is a little more vibrant. The inner liner is kind of a question I have. I think with these, they didn't necessarily change them up with each pair. I could be wrong about that. I know with the original gray purplish colorway, each one of the liners were different because they were using a lot of material, and they all had different patterns, all the same patterns, but just different where it was, how it was laid and everything. So it kind of gave them each their own individuality a little bit. These, I mean, I'm not sure if they did that or not. I'd have to look that up. I mean, it's a similar liner, definitely a little bit louder on this pair than the original. I mean, again, looking at this pair, same colors as far as used for the numbers, just a little different. Obviously, that pink is a whole lot brighter on that pair.
It's burning my brain.
The bottoms, though, basically the same. It's a little bit different shape, though. That's kind of interesting, but basically the same in those aspects. I would say if you weren't able to get one of these originally, that's a nice consolation prize. I think this pair still is slightly better. I mean, it has this gray textured material. You know, shout out to what's the name on the receipt here? a Manuel, you know, he was talking to me about him in the store, and he's like, I don't know about the suede and stuff on the original pair, and I said, no, it's not suede. And you know what, now touching it, it does feel like it's a real low cut suede with that pattern maybe printed into it, like kind of stamped into it. I honestly, you know, I've only worn them maybe once or twice, so I didn't notice that, but it does kind of feel, and it does kind of change shade a little bit when you bring your finger over it, so maybe this is a suede. So shout out to him. I told him no, they weren't suede, they were like a canvas material, but nope, that's definitely suede.
I'm stupid, you're smart. I was wrong, you were right. You're the best, I'm the worst. You're very good looking, I'm not attractive.
Now, to me, this is the best pair of all three, in my opinion. I get it. It's basically just a white grape, which, to be honest, is one of my all-time favorite Jordans. I mean, the only thing that gives it that Fresh Prince of Bel Air feel is the no laces, which, you know, was a nice little, you know, nod to Fresh Prince. I mean, it has the Fresh Prince insoles. You know, it says Air Jordan in that Fresh Print font. I can't really see it too well because of the lighting in here, but I mean, this is the shoe. I mean, I just got this a few months ago, so I haven't worn it yet, but this shoe to me is the best of all of them. I like these the best. I'm actually looking forward to wearing these. I don't know why I haven't yet. I haven't busted them out yet. It's just I haven't had the right time. These, I mean, these, as far as material, this feels a little bit softer than this, but it's pretty close. It's pretty close. You know, these actually remind me of another 5 I have. Let me grab them real quick. These actually here remind me of these. And I know it's completely different. I mean, it doesn't necessarily have the same style and cues, but this was the Pro Stars that came out a while back, a couple years ago. This vibe, the color vibe, the style and everything definitely has me reminiscent with these. You know, I don't ever really wear these. I've questioned if I want to keep these in my collection. I plan to just keep them because these were actually a gift given to me by someone. This definitely gives me that same kind of vibe, color-wise and style. So I may end up letting these go. I'm not sure if I'll keep them in the collection or not. But let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Is this new white pair the better of the three?
3 is a magic number. Yes, it is.
Is the original gray still the most ideal? Obviously, this is more limited, harder to get. Prices, though, have come down dramatically from where it was when they first came out. Or are you with me as far as on the laceless option? That gave a kind of a nod to the Fresh Prince and Will Smith. Hit me up in the comments below. Let me know. Please like and subscribe. I continue to try and put content out as often as possible. But obviously, if you've enjoyed the video, if you've enjoyed any of my videos, if you can hit that like and then hit that subscribe and hit that little bell, we'll let you know when I put up another new video. I would greatly appreciate it. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.